see, it's wobbling all around. Everything's pretty loose on here. So I shut the water here off. Hopefully I can now undo this and pull the toilet. And looks like the flange is probably broke. This could be more involved. Let's see. All right, so I pulled the toilet off, and let's have a look here. So we have wax seals, of course, gone. The flange is, well, looks like it's broke. It's not secure to the floor anymore. So it looks like, yeah, oh yeah, this is all busted up. Oh yeah, the whole flange is broke. This is not no easy fix at all. Oh, I see they had a metal ring on there that was sitting there. Oh, I see what they did. Okay. So it looks like, wow. Yeah, this is a real problem here. This is not no simple repair. Yeah. Yeah, this whole thing's broke. The whole fucking pipe. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of, is that the whole pipe was broke. Yeah, the whole flange piece. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is real bad. I don't even know what happened. So it looks like they had a couple bolts here and they all snapped. Yeah, you can see where there's one here, one here, one here, one here. It's all snapped. All right, considering that the flange piece that originally was there is all busted up, what we want to do, we're going to build a new flange. And I'm going to take this pipe here. We're going to shove a new piece in, glue a new piece in, and then we're going to use this twist and seal flange, and we're going to drop that in and seal it off into that, so it'll be a perfect seal. No water can splash back up. That's the key to fixing this kind of situation. So we're going to put the glue in, punch that on down in, get it level. And we're going to bring this in. So that's next. So let's do that first. All right, here we go. Come in there. Okay, let's push them in. All right. I want to give it just a little twist in there as I push it in. All right, push it all the way down. There we go. That'll take care of that. Now that's going to be a waterproof seal there. All right, so that's, looks like that's good and even. All right, perfect. Okay, let's clean that little edge up now. Put that new flange in. Okay, so there we go. We got that new liner in, glued in good. So that way there's not going to be no pushback from the pressure. Bam, there we go. All right, so this is a twist and seal type. And so what we're gonna do now is take this flange, which is a twist and seal, twist and set, and we're gonna line it up so that it goes in, and then we're gonna turn it, it's gonna tighten. That's the idea here. So make sure that it's where we want it to start with, that it goes in real snug. Then we'll tighten it from there. Okay, we want a little snugger so they can catch. You see, I just need it to come off that so it can lay flat. That should, all right. So let's get that off there. All over the place again. Alright, so we got the new flange mounted in, locked in place. Bolt keys are lined up with the toilets. Alright, it's level to the floor. Now we just gotta drill the holes out with my hammer drill, put the tack cons in, lock it in, put it on. So that's next. Alright, let's put that there for a minute while we, plus I do want to do one test of this, just to see if it lays flat like it should. If there isn't any issues with that, and that looks good. Lays flat, perfect. Clean this flange off. Let's get the wax ring on. Bolts in after we do the drilling. Alright, let's drill this shit in. We gotta get moving. We're running out of time. This place closes in, what time is it now? It's already 8:51. Alright, let's go. Okay. Drill on. First one's in. First one, first tack con in. It's pretty secure already. Let's keep going. Next one. Tap con him in. Once I got those two in, I know it won't move that way. You gotta be kidding me. It didn't even go in. No. Drill a new hole. Right one. Okay. All right, let's get the Please tell me that's not gonna work. so I had to take this back off again, so we're not done. So what I had to do, these kept spinning out and then it would pop through this keyhole. So what I did is locked it down with the washer and nut first. That way, when I spin the locking down, that won't spin out, won't lock out. I also re-drilled the holes deeper, longer tap cons. So hopefully that will compensate for the unlevel tile here. Alright, so the toilet's bolted back on to the flange. One thing I've noticed, this floor is uneven, so it was really difficult to get that down right, because one tile was up higher and the other one's down low, so it was like kind of weird, kind of hard to catch that wobble. I kind of shimmed it a little, and as you can see, it's solid now to the floor. All right, so that's it. Do a flush test. Nice flush. No leaks. Good to go. All right. Okay.